Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be doing part 1 of how I make a little security blanket. It's also known as a lovey or a snuggle blanket. It's usually for a small baby or toddler, and it just provides them a little extra comfort as they start using their little hands and they want to hold on to something. So this is actually a really simple pattern that I feel is appropriate for a beginner. Maybe someone who's more intermediate or expert level can put their own little touch on it, or I'm sure they could probably figure it out themselves. So yeah, this is going to be part 1. I'm doing the head of a bunny, and that's going to be the character for the blanket that I'm doing. And then in the next video, which is going to be linked below, that one is going to be where I am doing the body of the blanket. And that's just a super simple square pattern, and I kind of do some top stitching, but you'll see it in that video. So in this video for now, I'm going to be starting with some sketches. I obviously, spoiler alert, chose the bunny. I won't be talking throughout the video. I'm just gonna play some tunes and you can kind of see my process, how I take a sketch and turn it into a simple pattern to the fabric and something in a little cute bunny character. And then in part 2, which is going to be linked below, that one is going to be creating the body and putting everything together. If you do have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below, and I'll definitely try to answer them as best that I can. I don't do the best at explaining things, but I will definitely try to answer your questions the best that I can. wraps up creating the head part of the bunny. So now if you go to the bottom links, there's going to be part 2 where you can see everything get put together. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helped in any way, or it at least sparked your creative fuse to get going and get creating. Alrighty, see you in part 2.